Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you what to spend crystals on in Mobile Dungeon. Crystal Guide. In Mobile Dungeon, crystals are one of your most valuable resources, and using them wisely can really speed up your progress. One of the best ways to spend them is on heroes. Specifically, you'll want to use crystals to get souls. These are the items needed to summon or upgrade your heroes. Tap the plus icon to access shops like the black market or traders to find them. Shimmering souls are generally higher quality and give better chances at rare heroes, while basic souls are used for everyday hero banners. Crystals are also useful for buying high value resources, especially for sending legendary heroes in the chapel. Avoid spending them on the small, common items like gold, arena tickets, or keys unless you have extra. Look for progress packs, which bundle souls with other valuable materials for better overall value. Prioritize your strongest or most strategic heroes first to make every crystal count. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.